I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into building the companies, and then I'm like, wait, well, should I be doing this? Because if I'm sacrificing time with friends and family that I would prefer to do, but then ultimately the AI can do all these things. Does that make sense? I don't know.
Artificial intelligence has transformed our lives, reshaping industries and introducing new opportunities. In this video, we're going to explore 10 unexpected jobs created by AI. While there are concerns about AI replacing traditional roles, it's also paving the way for positions that require human creativity and expertise. First up, prompt engineers act as maestros, crafting queries that guide AI systems' learning processes. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence converses with humans seamlessly, understands context, and responds intelligently. That's the vision that prompt engineers bring to life. It's not just about choosing words. Prompt engineers are the linguistic architects who ensure that AI systems like ChatGPT, Google Bard, or any other conversational AI understands users' input and provides sensible, relevant, and context-aware responses. They are the guardians of conversational fluency, working tirelessly to make interactions between humans and AI systems as natural as possible. The aim is to eliminate the robotic and stilted responses that have often plagued early AI chatbots, creating a more engaging and productive user experience. However, their responsibilities don't stop at fluency and clarity. Prompt engineers also play a vital role in ensuring ethical considerations are embraced in the AI's responses. They need to be vigilant about potential biases or controversial responses that AI systems might generate and find ways to mitigate them. Secondly, in the age of artificial intelligence, AI content writers emerge as the visionary scribes of the digital realm. These professionals play a pivotal role in harmonizing the capabilities of AI with the creativity of human expression, breathing life into machine-generated content. AI content writers are the literary editors of the machine age, operating at the intersections of human artistry and AI efficiency. They are responsible for guiding AI systems in crafting engaging narratives, refining content, and infusing it with a human touch. It's akin to a symphony where human creativity conducts alongside the precision of a computer's algorithms. These professionals possess a knack for writing and editing, allowing them to refine and enhance the content generated by AI algorithms. They work diligently to ensure that the content not only meets the highest quality standards, but also resonates with the intended audience. Next up, in the world of artificial intelligence, AI integration specialists are the architects of seamless collaboration between humans and machines. They play a pivotal role in integrating AI systems into various facets of a business, ensuring that these systems not only function efficiently but also align with human needs and processes. Picture the complexity of setting up a new smartphone and then scale those challenges to integrating an entirely new AI system into the company, one that might have hundreds of even thousands of employees. This is where the expertise of AI integration specialists comes into play. Fourth ones are AI trainers and operators, who are the educators and supervisors of artificial intelligence. They work in tandem to ensure that AI systems learn and perform optimally. AI trainers are professionals who take on the role of educators for AI systems. They spend time teaching AI the ropes, somewhat like training a new employee. For example, they may train AI systems to recognize and understand different faces in facial recognition software by providing extensive data and feedback until the AI can correctly identify each face. Operators, on the other hand, supervise AI systems in real time. They ensure the AI performs to the desired standard and make necessary tweaks. For example, when working with autonomous vehicles, operators monitor the AI behavior and provide real-time feedback to ensure safe and correct functioning. Together, AI trainers and operators play a critical role in ensuring that AI systems continuously improve, adapt to new scenarios, and operate effectively. Fifth ones are sentiment analyzers. They're the experts who teach machines to understand human emotions, particularly from text. They enable AI systems to read between the lines of customers' feedback, social media posts, or product reviews. Sentiment analyzers decode human expressions. They help AI systems interpret emoji, slang, tone, and other elements of human expression. For instance, they ensure that a customer service AI can detect negative sentiment in polite messages and respond empathetically. Sentiment analyzers make AI systems more attuned to human emotions and help them respond in a way that feels empathetic and human-like, enhancing user experience and customer interaction. Next, in the ever-evolving landscape of digital technology, AI security analyst stands as the modern-day guardians of our digital fortresses. Their mission? To protect our data castles from the threats posed by rogue algorithms and malicious bots, using the very technology that presents these risks. As our reliance on artificial intelligence grows, so does the potential for AI-related security breaches. This is where AI security analysts step in. They employ AI as both a sword and a shield, harnessing its capabilities to counter AI-driven threats. In essence, it's a battle of wits between humans and machines, where these analysts use AI to outsmart AI-fueled cyber attacks. Their approach involves using a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to build protective measures for our data systems. By analyzing patterns, anomalies, and behaviors, they can preemptively identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. This proactive stance is crucial in a digital environment where even a monetary lapse can result in data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Seventh, in the world of artificial intelligence, where machines increasingly take on complex tasks, automated system quality assurance testers play a pivotal role in upholding the integrity and dependability of AI-driven technologies. These professionals are the meticulous guardians of AI systems. Their primary mission is to put AI through a battery of rigorous tests to ensure that it not only possesses intelligence but also reliability. Imagine them as the critics for the next generation of AI performers, virtual entities that must respond flawlessly to a myriad of scenarios. Their meticulous testing goes beyond identifying bugs. They are, in essence, saving lives. In industries such as healthcare, the AI-driven diagnosis and treatment of diseases hinge on flawless performance. Eighth, algorithm forensic analysts act as detectives in the world of AI. They scrutinize AI decisions to ensure they're fair and unbiased. These professionals go beyond detecting bias. They identify and rectify it with AI systems to prevent unfair preferences. Their work is essential in fields like social media, where algorithmic biases could impact content visibility and user experiences. Ninth one are AI video editors, who are emerging as key players in video production. They utilize AI to edit videos, from simple consumer clips to complex Hollywood productions. AI video editors work with existing editing software, enhancing their capabilities with AI-driven automation. Last one are AI-powered social media content creators, who are at the forefront of digital marketing. They leverage AI algorithms to detect trends, identify keywords, and understand user behavior. By creating engaging content that resonates with target audiences, they boost engagement and streamline content creation processes. This role accelerates content creation and maximizes its impact in the dynamic world of social media marketing. As we conclude this exploration of the 10 unexpected jobs AI is creating, it's clear that AI is reshaping the professional landscape. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback matters, and we're here to help you be informed and inspired in the ever-evolving world of AI.